Nintendo knows colors, and we like colors, but we've been deprived with limited releases and then seeing prices for them be insane. Hi, Pedro here, and I love some of the limited colors for the Nintendo GameCube, and Char's custom GameCube has got to be my favorite one. However, I'm not in the market to spend money on the set for the unit Game Boy player, controller, and Wavebird with matching dongle. So when I saw that Bitfunks released the Reshell, I had to get it. So don't forget to like and subscribe as I reshell my Nintendo GameCube and Game Boy player. The color looks a bit more orangey than expected, but that's more because of my lighting. We'll also use this custom jewel that I got from Etsy to complete the look. Links down in the description. It's been a while since I opened this unit up. This is the one that I've modded with the Kunai GC, Pluto 2 HDMI mod, and of course USB-C. Let's make that coin cell battery replaceable. The spring and memory card covers are an improvement on cases I've gotten from them before, which is nice to see, but I'll still be using the OEM springs. I've also decided to swap the color of the USB-C mod from green to black with the ceramic finish, as well as the black backplate instead of the red. It just looks better. Now for the holographic jewel to wrap it up. Next is the Game Boy player. Quick and easy, you will just need to harvest the spring and the interlocking screws. At a glance, this looks amazing. I love the way it looks so much. I would love to remake the LED diffuser to be more translucent, swap the LED for a deeper red, and darken the inner part of the diffuser so that the light doesn't show through the shell. This GameCube has got to have been one of my favorite projects I've done so far. My little brother was the one that had the GameCube, so when I got my own, I was pretty excited when there were so many mods out for it. And now, I get to do whatever I want, and it's been really cool. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.